there you have it, ladies and gentlemen.
And since there you have it, your Mr. and Miss Intrams 2025. Maraming salamat po. This has been your host. I am Alexandra May Olaso Harris.
And this is Krisa Sagra. This has been the Mr. and Miss Intramurals 2025. Thank you, and to God be the glory. Next up, let's have all the candidates for the photo opportunity. Again, let's have all the candidates. Your 16 dazzling candidates for this year's Mr. and Miss Intramurals 2025.